I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Pocket Option app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on profile, and you just click here on profile here. You come to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on profile. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to subscribe to updates from your manager, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That means subscribe to updates from your manager. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.